It damaged y'all's trucks too?
Yes, sir. It damaged the vehicle, like a lot of
Did y'all see it when it fell down, or?
I was on my truck when it started.
Wow.
Yeah. And all this, I thought it was garbage. It's coming towards my truck. I was sitting on my truck and I said, oh my God. But it didn't, when it was coming like maybe 5-6 feet, it dispersed and went around my truck and knocked my truck. And I said it was only garbage, and I called my employer. And he said, yeah, I just told the guys that take it easy on the road. It's gonna be like this.
And this is all debris, I guess, here that was just being thrown from that building.
Every single one of our trucks has damage to it.
Oh my God. Yeah, I guess when the sun comes up, we'll be able to see this a little bit better, but
Yeah.
I can see over here. This is crazy.
Oh yeah, very crazy. But the next there's a more truck there. Let's build that.
We have a trailer that the entire top of where the weld is, that silver weld,
Yeah.
is completely ripped back.
My God.
From here? Huh? From us? Yeah.
Where?
19.
The back.
The back window.
Were any of you guys here when this happened? Or did y'all just pull up after the fact?
I pulled up back.
Yeah, we were here this morning when it blew through, and we heard the wind, and it sounded very different this time.
How do you come in? What do you come in for?
What are you gonna do? Go clock in?
Don't tell me you're gonna go clock in right now. You were watching me go clock in right now.
Buenos días.
No, yo creo que todo el mundo va a ir para la casa.